Hello everyone, welcome to another video for Mr. Ted's Humanities class. Today we're going to continue our music and enrichment learning, and I have another possible project for some of our musically inclined students out there. Uh, you guys have heard me sing the song Imagine by John Lennon and play it on my guitar. And I thought it would be really cool to encourage you all to practice singing by recording the guitar and having you uh, use the recording studio to record your own voices singing the words. I hope My hope is that people really get excited about recording themselves singing this song, maybe even a group of you singing together. I'm going to show you how to access that assignment and a couple tricks with the recording studio um, so that people can pursue this project. You click to get into the assignment. Everyone should have their own version of the guitar track that I've recorded. That's called the Imagine Project. And it should say assignment January 7th. To get into the assignment, you click Studio. Once the studio loads, you will see that there is a guitar track already recorded for you. It's not the most perfect guitar track, but it will do. Give you the chords and the music for the song, and it's your job to sing along to it. Now, if you don't know the song, then you might have to study a little bit, both the lyrics, and I'm going to post a video to the Playing for Change version of Imagine. Those are those videos that we've been watching with singers and performers around the world cut together into one song. So you can listen to that song, practice singing to that video, learn the lyrics from the video, and you can also read the lyrics when you are recording your own song. So to add your own voice to the track that I've recorded, you would click Add New Track here and choose Microphone. You're going to click Start Recording when you're ready. You can also click out of that box and make sure that you have the red square that has an R on it selected here, this little red square that turns red when you click it. That means that this channel, these are channels, this one's for guitar and this one is for your voice, is ready to record. Now, I recommend that while you're recording, you have headphones. You may have noticed that it asked me if I was using headphones. The headphones are useful because your computer is both a microphone and a speaker. So if you are trying to record your voice, the sound from the speaker is also going to be picked up by the microphone. The computer can help with that a little bit, but it's much better for the recording process if you have headphones. I know that we've distributed some headphones to people, so hopefully you have access to them if you're giving this a try. What I'm going to do is I'm going to practice singing to show you how it's done with the recording studio. I'm going to jump ahead to the beginning of the verse because that's when the vocals start. There's a little musical or guitar intro here, and I'm going to sing along with the lyrics and show you how to use the studio. So here we go. Imagine there's no heaven. It's easy if you try. No hell below us, above us only sky. Imagine all the people living for today. So you heard me record the beginning to that video, or that music track here. When you click the stop button, you'll see that there is a piece of your in your channel that you've just recorded, and if you go back and you want to listen to it, you're going to need to unclick the recording button here, and then if you're using headphones, turn on the headphone listening button here. So then I can listen to the track and see how it sounds. So there's a couple things you can do. One is if you decide you don't like the recording of your voice and you want to try again, you can just click it and delete. Once you select the piece of clip of your audio, you can just click the delete button and it'll go away. You could also adjust the volume. So you're saying, oh, the voice is too loud compared to the guitar. You can adjust the volume here. And then when you're ready to record the next part, you can just move your the timer here. This controls where the recording starts in the full audio track. So you can start recording here, you can start recording here, and you can also zoom in if you want to start at a very specific time. And whenever you click the start button, it's going to 3, 2, 1, give you a little bit of time to prepare, and then we'll start recording. So I hope people watch this video and consider recording themselves to Imagine. I think it would be an awesome project to share with our community as we celebrate our community coming together throughout the year, and especially talking about making positive change in our world and spreading positive messages of hope and change. Thank you.